GM traders, 안녕하세요, 여러분. 오하요 고자이마스. Well, welcome to today's breakdown. And I love what the price is doing. And before I continue, let me just show you a reference why I love what the price is doing. And the price is doing what AJ was doing the other time. Came into this fair value gap, though it was not a major fair value gap on the weekly. It was a major fair value gap. And look at that, look at that. Look at that retest there. This is AJ. Came into that fair value gap and continued pushing on and on and on. You look at that. Let's switch over to our pair that we are familiar with. Even before we continue, let's just have a look at the news. Today we don't have any red folder that we're expecting. On the euro, we have only the German WPI M&M. I don't know what that it is. Change in price of goods sold by wholesalers. Well, that indeed is a low impact news. So nothing today is happening. So today we are working with pure price action, and also we are seeing all the banks are open. Over to our charts, marking off the buy side and the sell side liquidity of the previous day. We are seeing that the buy side liquidity has been taken out, and we're headed towards the buy side liquidity of the previous week. Yeah, will we manage to get it out, or will we, after taking out the buy side liquidity of the previous day, meaning we are trading above the discount, will there be a level that will be created in the lower time frames for us to continue pushing to the downside? Well, but today we're not sure, but I believe the markets would love to close bullish, love to have a bullish candle today. So over the 4 hour, we are seeing where the bullish momentum came from. Over the 4 hour, we are seeing the bullish momentum came from after the break of this supply. Remember what I was talking about on the weekly outlook? I was like, break, retest, push, and well, that has played out today. Oh yeah, we were talking about the 4 hour. What was I saying on my weekly outlook? I was talking about the retest of this level, and that is what happened when yesterday during the New York session, this candle closed above this level. What did price do? During Asian session, that is exactly what price did. Came at the sell-off and boom. Yeah, the 3-count rule does work. So from this supply, we're seeing that we have established a 3-count rule, and yeah, what do we need for this price? We need for this price to push a little bit to grab some of that liquidity and continue pushing to the upside. Since we are having pretty much a very clean traffic to the upside, so yeah, over the 1 hour, we're seeing after targeting the buy side liquidity of the previous day, the market is willing to go on for the previous week buy liquidity. Okay, looking on over to the 1 hour, we are seeing our trend line. What happened? Remember this trend line, I drew it last week. After the break of this trend line, market seemed to be consolidating at this particular point. And at one particular point, we had a break of this, came, had a retest, short to the upside. Yeah, that is just pure price action. Whatever is happening is just pure price action. No need to overthink it. Just pure price action. The break of a trend line, we need to have the retest of it and then push to the upside. That is just pure price action. You need to know about that. Yeah. Okay, looking over the 30 minutes. Over to the 30 minutes, we are seeing what? What are we seeing? We are seeing the market is bullish also. We are seeing market is safe, is doing a retest at this particular point, and I love what is happening. Retest at this particular point is good. Good. So in the next 1 hour, the close of this candle, the next 1 hour candle, we will get our confirmation bias for us to either continue pushing to the upside or for this market to create something at this particular point and shoot to the downside. Yeah, this market, in order to come and break this supply over here, which is a major supply, we need to grab some of that liquidity. So we are having on the 1 hour, we are having this supply over here, but on the 4 hour we are seeing we have clean traffic there, and very clean traffic to the upside. Switching over to the 15 minutes, we are seeing this level being the target. Seeing these levels being the target. We may have this price come to this particular point. If this fails, we may have this price come to this particular point to grab some of that liquidity, or eventually at this particular point to finish off grabbing of that liquidity. Also, we are seeing that we have established a 3-count rule with a valid orange sell entry, and yeah, that is where it seems the price is reacting to on the 50 minutes. Coming out the 5 minutes, just before I exit the 15 minutes, just a moment. This one is taking forever to load. Yes, we are back. So I want to just adjust some of this level, and that is taken care of. Okay, return to flip now. Yeah, for me, I'm bullish for the day. I'm so bullish for the day. If we get some pullback, if the pullback is sufficient enough, I will take it. But if the pullback is not sufficient enough, I'm not going to risk it. But what I'm very much looking forward to is the retests, the market retests, the market doing its retests. Yeah, that is what I'll be much looking forward towards. So over the 5 minutes, what are we looking at? Like I said before, I'm bullish, so I'm not looking to take the buy side, the textbooks buy side liquidity, the taking out of the buy side liquidity of the Asian session. I'm not willing to do that, which goes like market comes, take this out, then boom, boom, shoot to the downside. I'm not willing to take that. That is the textbook sell of the taking out of the Asian buy side liquidity. I'm not willing to do that. What I'm willing to do, I'm willing to pull off my fib retracement tool, and looking at the fib retracement tool, where we trading? We are trading at the discount, which is good, not bad. And yeah, it does make sense to trade there. But we are having these levels and areas of retests. yeah, that is what I'm having. But another thing I want to say, taking out of this supply, I'm willing to look for retests to continue the push to the downside. Yeah, we are seeing the market reacted off this advanced level, sell entry. If you go back to the previous week or on Monday when we are having the Euro Bank holiday, price did what? This is what price did. It came, took the orange sell, and I was expecting what? I was expecting for this price to come back at least during the 9 a.m. London Open, test this, and then we continue the push down. But what happened? The price decided to hold this level, and eventually today the price has managed to taken care of it. So what will I be looking for? For me, just a moment, what I'll be looking for is this. I'll be looking for a retest, a test of this level. If you manage to break this and have a level of a retest over here with a bullish OB or a demand zone, I'm willing to do what? To push this price to continue the upside. Since we are having a clean traffic on the 4 hour, yeah, since we are having a clean traffic on the 4 hour. What else am I willing to do? The next thing that I'm willing to do, this price may come and pull to this level, or to this level, and the test of this level, I'm having something like that. The test of this level also, I'm having something like that. But if this failed to hold, according to my strategy, I'll perceive my strategy very, very carefully and cleanly. I'm willing for these levels. I'm willing to wait for this level rather than this level. Yeah. So with that, have a beautiful day, and remember, don't break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. And yeah. Also, another thing that have come, this price may come take care of this, and then we have that is a good trade. But we need to wait, we need to be patient and wait for our setup to deliver. So that's all, and see you next time. See you today in the evening on the journal. Yeah. Today in the evening on the journal, day 23 of 0 to 10k a month challenge, where I'll be speaking about zooming out.